Well, first of all, yes, we are very thankful to the Indian government. I think that India has been playing a conducive role in supporting peace in our region. India has a lot to bring to the plate when it comes to economic activity. You know, you have so many stakes in the West Asia, millions of Indian workers. India could build projects. India is the new builder of the world. As you are building India, we want you to build our region as well, and you are capable of doing it. Only 2 or 3 weeks ago, we had here a delegation from the finance ministry that actually approached the Indian companies to come and play a role in building infrastructure in Israel. They could easily also build infrastructure for the Palestinians as well. And they could engage in regional projects. There are many regional projects that you already know, like IMEC and ITU2, logistics, the energy. So I think that if we have a sound security foundation for our region, and we have a political consensus around a plan, then you can bring an economic dimension that India could be a part of, because it's also part of this political consensus. Now, your second question.